Section 11 of the Companies Act 2013 deals with the registered office of the company. Okay. Section 12 requires every company to have registered office capable of receiving and acknowledging all the communications and notices. The company must maintain this office continuously after incorporation and furnish its details to the registered office of the company, registrar of the companies. ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद आता है इसका की प्रोविजंस ऑफ द सेक्शन 12 इज रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस मैंडेटरी. Every company must have registered office within 30 days of incorporation and maintain its all times thereafter. Verification of registered office. The company must file verification its registered office with the ROC within 30 days of incorporation. After that, a display of companies names and address. Every company must display company names and registered office outside every place of business in conspicuous positions. Fourth number is printing on official documents. The following must be printed on business letters, billing head letter, papers, notices, and official publications. Company name, registered office address, CIN, corporate identity number, telephone number if any, email ID, and website address if any. After that, one person company. An OPC must maintain the words one person company below its name wherever the name is printed, affixed, or engraved. Change of registered office. Any change in registered office must be reported to the ROC in the prescribed manner and within the prescribed time limit. Features of Section 12. Official communication address acts as official address for receiving notices and legal communications. Legal identity provides a fixed locations for companies' records and statutory documents. Regulatory compliances helps ROC and government authorities to track, monitor companies. Transparency stakeholders can easily locate the company. Public accessibility customers, investors, creditors, and regulators know where the company operates. Official advantage of the Section 12: better communication, enhance credibility, legal protections of facilitate regulatory monitoring, and protect stakeholders. All legal notice and official communication is to the correct address. Enhance credibility. A registered office increase the company's authenticity and trustworthy. Legal protections provides a recognized place for service of notice and legal documents. Facilitate regulatory monitoring. Government authority can verify the company's existence and operations. Protect stakeholders. Investors, creditors, and customers can identify the company's official locations. Disadvantage of the Section 12. Compliance cost. Company may incur expenses for maintaining and updating the registered office. Filing requirements. Changes in office address required ROC filing and procedural compliances. Penalties for non-compliances. Failure to comply may attract penalties on the company's officers in default. Administrative burden. Companies must continue updating records and display requirements. Registered office is equal to legal identity, trustworthy, and compliances.